Power is out, yes.
Other plane.
Oh my
Oh,
god, this cabinet. I'm opening all of them and there are like 100 things to pull. Okay, I have cabinet key.
top.
What the hell? There is a metal
Oh,
spear.
is this a clue? I found a paper clue. Um, candles? 10 candles, tas may hourglass. Tas ito may bilog-bilog dito na parang pattern or shit.
Yes, we need one more of that. Merong
One mo,
isa sa kitchen.
ng,
Diyan.
anong
Yung paper.
bilog-bilog?
Bro.
Ah, okay. I think we're supposed to make a pattern here with the black metal spear.
Meron sa laundry.
May mga ano din, may pattern din.
Ah,
Black metal spear.
I found a memory. Whatever that is.
Sa backyard din may ganun.
may parang color drawing sa refrigerator.
You figure out the power yet?
Oh, I'm just random.
Is there a basement?
At it.
Oh my fucking god! Just ano. Ang inang
So we can
mani.
turn on lights now?
Nice. Yes.
I have
we can.
I have VHS tape. It's
Number 5 yung naka-insert ngayon. So, I guess ipunin natin doon sa area na yun. Yung
I got
okay.
number 1. Saan ilalagay?
I got number 3. Saan, Astria?
sa TV.
There's
Sino to?
another
Lagi!
crucifix. Oh! Ha?
Nakita mo yun?
No?
May sumisilip sa'yo kanina dito. Akala ko player.
Oh!
Pinakatingin sa'yo kanina.
May
There
painting.
is a lock safe here.
Merong ano dito, may pattern.
May painting puzzle din dito sa master bedroom.
Don't worry if you've forgotten the safe code. I've got it on tape. So the
Okay.
safe code is inside the tape.
May pattern din sa basement for the black spear. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What's this?
Shit.
For the best comfort of blank iron.
Saan yung ano? Black spear, Sandy?
Ha? Laundry, then sa parang sitting area. Tapos ano?
Ito lang ba yun? Yung may pattern sa backyard? Ayun pala yung nakita mo. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1 here. If I am correct, it should be on this one.
There's a locked cabinet sa bathroom sa taas.
that's
And
the
there is
first one.
another clue. Parang may clock puzzle din dito. And it also says 1949. Locked room. May painting puzzle dito pero hindi ko pa siya maano.
Who needs cruci? May extra ako.
May extra cruci din dito sa taas.
What's the lighter for?
Turning on candles. I just turned on a candle on the backyard.
The years tell the time. Oh, and whom to call. Okay.
Sino
Yun
nagpatay
yung
ng ilaw
clue.
sa basement?
The
I
years
have
tell
no
the
idea. I
time.
got tripped out so I went up.
7:49 bale.
We're all up here. You're on your own there.
Okay. So this is the next pattern. Sa right side. Okay, dalawa dun.
The year tells the time.
Anyone check
And
upstairs?
home.
Any 7
I'm already upstairs.
Okay, I'll go as well. Why you no switch on lights, ah?
Huh?
Why you no switch on lights?
Huh?
God damn it. Hold on. I'll switch on lights.
Okay.
Lights on.
The year tells the time and who to call. 1949. So that's 749? Tama ba?
Yeah. 749.
So why is it not doing anything or something? I think I did it wrong.
Oh shit, what the hell?
Can we
I, s-
only
I saw a dead person.
turn on a number of light?
I guess.
Why is it
Maybe.
smoking?
I don't know. I'm
Ay, ito.
smoking weed, I guess.
It's smoking.
I don't know what
Ay,
item
ito.
this is.
May letters. Oh. Going. Ah, ito. Yun ata yung connected do saan. Ito yung painting puzzle.
Yes, the lights are out
Yung
again.
yung ano, ah, yung nasa mirror sa baba. Meron nga palang clue na ano. Kasi yung mirror kanina. Kasi may orasan sa iba. 1959 is 7:59. So that's whatever.
How to
Anyone
turn on
found
lights?
asan ba yung power box?
Garage.
Yeah, how to do this?
It's already solved. You should just click it.
Oh, okay.
Mm. Anyone found other papers para dun sa Black Spear, ano?
I'm also still looking for the last one.
So, na pag-connect ako na yung dalawa eh. Where's the lights for the kitchen? I swear to God, man. Ah? Tanong mo kay mama.
Do we dare? I dare. I love horror. Whoa! The fuck is this? Look the shit in the attic.
Oh,
Portal. What do we need to put there? I found another tape. Still couldn't find the third paper.
Yeah, I need the third paper. I think that's the last piece of the
What's with the
puzzle.
tapes? What's with the tape?
Oh. How many tapes do we have?
I have number 4 now. Puta, gumabi na sa labas.
Seryoso?
Yes, it's
Ala, ang
nighttime.
dilim! Grabe! Sobrang dilim mo yung... Safety in the light.
Time flies. Here's number 4. Number 1 is already in. 7.
You know what? I'm closing the basement. Ayokong dumadaan na tapos nakabukas.
What's wrong with you, friend?
May zombie.
7.
How come you get all the action and I got nothing?
May zombie
nothing.
sa... Gulat ako, sabi niya. "Ha."
That's why.
So we're missing 2 and 3.
Yes.
May fina-follow lang ako na ano mirror clue.
Ah, okay. I have to light 10 candles para ma-open to. So, one. That's one.
I'll double check if I missed something.
That's two. Three. Then we can count the one on the backyard. That's four.
I like this house, I like the layout.
Oh, namatay ilaw sa taas. Ayoko na.
Heart is in.
Friend, kasama.
Wait, I messed with the... I should... Like,
Someone
What you
accompany
missed?
me upstairs.
May candle sa attic tsaka bago yung bathroom before the attic and the window before the attic.
Ito pala nakabukas na. May nakalock na door dito.
We have to solve this eye thing.
Saan
Ito, and wait, fina-follow ko yung I think it's the clue. Pero I'm still looking for
Ayoko
the
nito. Bakit may manika
fucking
doon?
mirror. Where is it?
Okay. Wait, how many candles in this place? One, two. That's two candles I lit. Three.
What's with the cute
So, three.
Lutias smoke
Ano yan?
smoky
I
weed?
have no idea.
Can
I
you
just
sniff
got
it?
it.
Ito mamatay yung kandila. What the hell? Ba't namatay yung kandila? One, two.
Someone na blowing.
One.
Ganon. Hindi ko maano. Ito ba yun? No, this is not it. Is there another bathroom here? I think it's locked.
Okay na guys. One, two, three.
Okay, fine.
One, two, three. One, two, three, four. So, apat yung kandila sa taas. Four. Five. Six. Six. Seven. Seven candles na nalit ko. Where's the other? Eight.
Okay, dun sa pangalan na binubuo, N yung last letter.
May nakita akong E sa blocks.
Nine.
Toy blocks.
Oh no, we're missing one candle.
There is a circle here with balls.
Ako nag-solve niyan currently. I need the third paper. May pattern siya. I've lit 9 candles. Kulang ako na isa. You. Who's this? Come with me.
Oh no,
Oh,
basement.
Let's go. Basement.
9. I think there's a candle here. I think 9. There's...
Okay, I
yes,
follow
that's
you
the 10th
guys
candle.
there.
Okay, that's 10 candles.
Why you running? Why you scared of basement?
Okay, there is hourglass. Found a memory. Anong gagawin ko dito? Sa hourglass.
Meron ka ng ano.
Ay, ito
Pwede
yung
lagyan,
isang
Buddha.
ano.
Okay, I'll keep this.
Ay, puta na mo, sumobra ako.
Ah, ito yung circle.
35, 40.
Ay.
45.
Namatay yung ilaw. There's only a number of lights that can be turned on.
What do you mean circle? Ah, yung isa, nasa basement.
Mm-mm.
Ay, ito, yung isang mirror.
I have it now, but saan to?
Bathroom. Pink and ano.
Okay, what's next? What's the next puzzle to solve? Bakit?
Wait, di ba may papel with colors?
Oo, sa ref.
Ano yung mga kulay? Can someone repeat,
Ah,
please?
may nasa kitchen ba?
Yeah, ano yung first color na to? I'm stupid with these.
Ah,
The
okay.
purple.
Purple, then is that red? Red or orange?
Orange.
Purple, orange,
Then there's letter G or C. G. C.
Yeah, it looks G.
orange.
Is that the name?
Wait. Purple, there's no orange.
So, N yung
Could be
dulo.
red then.
Could
Green,
be,
yellow, red.
Mm.
And then after red,
It's letter G.
G, so it's green
dirt, yeah. Then yellow,
and yellow.
then green.
And green again?
Yeah.
No. It's
That's
letter
green.
G.
No, the final color.
Yeah, but he said two green. So, is this a G or a C?
There's no C.
How about
Then it's
A?
only-
There's only blue left.
But it's letter G eh.
Ayun, namatay lahat ng ilaw, so it's wrong.
Hasan ka ba?
Sir, purple. Ano yung
Red.
basement? Red. Purple,
Yung-
red.
Yung last color kasi green.
Hmm.
So this should be a different color, I guess. I think
Kailan yung yellow pang apat?
pangapat yung yellow. Wait, can we see the... I think it's the color of the letter.
Ano?
Maybe blue?
So, purple.
You tried blue, yes?
Kailan? Kailan yung blue?
Pangatlo, did you try it?
Red, blue, yellow, green.
Mm-mm. Did it work?
Nope. Okay, so.
Saan ko nakuha yung papel na yun? Saan na yun?
Wait.
Did someone just whistle?
Someone growled at me earlier.
Ah, this one.
Okay. The phone.
I heard that.
Sige.
Man.
Wait.
Na-figure out ko na yung may mga black spheres. Na
Kulang pa ako
puzzle.
ng third paper.
Hindi, nandun sa basement, di ba?
It's
We?
complete now. It's complete. Yes.
Wait.
Complete na yung black spheres?
Yes.
Oo. Nasa
Ginawa mo na?
Hindi pa.
Ba't di pa ginawa? Saan ba yun? Where do you do it?
Kasama ang basement.
Hindi ko din alam
Nasaan
eh.
yung paper? Nasa yung paper? Baka ito yung yung
Dito.
nakita kong paper.
Here. This one.
Nakita ko na to.
Then you should complete the 3.
Oo nga, basement, laundry, tsaka yung sa sitting area.
Kitchen. Oh, dito.
Saan yung sitting area?
This one.
Laundry!
The laundry.
Hindi, yung
Yes.
kabila pa.
Ito, laundry.
Ito pala kulang ko. So, 1,
EYBRG.
2, 3.
EYBRG. DRG.
Saka left side. Ah, ah, ah.
DRG. DRG.
Ito, dito.
So where do you input it?
Dito, sa backyard. Sa left side. Ah. 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 Okay, it unlocks something. I heard it. It unlocks something here. What is it? Ah, ito yung ano, toolbox.
Ay.
I found a chisel. It's a memory. Ikaw. Nalakpatsa ka na naman.
Yung mga memory dito ata ilalagay sa parang mga column.
Saan?
Sa attic. Maybe maybe.
Okay, color puzzle is done.
How did you solve?
Dyan sa backyard, dun sa workbench, di ba may picture?
Oo.
Yes.
May, pagka ni-read mo yung content niya, may certain order ng ano, ng colors.
Ah. I've returned the memories.
How open kaya yung rooms?
Solve more.
Kasi itong is yung mirror puzzle.
Eto, yung kanina, yung nasa fridge, di ba G nasa gitna?
A. N yung dulo.
So,
From a
Gun.
Megan?
Logan.
May E din, which is a cube.
Ayun nga. Saan kaya ilalagay yun? Kasi etong post-it dito. The year, still the time, and whom to call. Kulang.
to.
May M. Ito sa letter M.
Ayun, so Megan nga.
And
My God, the flashlights.
Something about the darkness here awakens you in an unfamiliar dread.
N.
Oh, there. Is that a memory? Yeah, it is a memory.
Anything else?
I have a bad feeling. Why are there so many crucifixes?
You have to fight Mumu.
Okay, can you guys help me with the clocks? Kulang ata ako. Been...
no.
Shit.
Ano?
No.
Zombie!
Megan? It's not Megan.
Megan, stop.
How are we supposed to like slow you down, girl? Oh, it ate up my crucifix.
Wait, so are we supposed to continue the game while this lady is so following us?
Maybe.
Seems like it.
Oh! Nawala crucifix ko!
Well, she's gone.
There's more in the cabinets.
Yeah.
Pinag-iwanan.
Wait, we have 4 tapes. Ilan yung tapes? Is
5,
it
I
supposed to be
guess.
5?
Or
And
maybe
brute
4.
force.
Kasi may pang number 5 yung una, di ba? I mean, yung
Okay, the first number is 7.
Sabi.
First number 7.
Sorry. Gulat ako.
Okay, we're missing number 2. Yeah, so I guess 5 nga. We're missing number 2.
So, 7 blank.
7 blank, then wait, play ko yung number 3. Yung 3. Eto.
7 blank,
blank, 7 blank 9. 7
7,
blank 9
9,
7.
7. And
7
then,
blank 9 7.
0.
0. 7 9 blank 7
Sama yan,
0.
yung safe sa baba.
Oo.
Yeah.
Ah, Vipors.
7
I mean, there's
blank
only one more.
9. Tama na, 7 blank 9 7 0.
7. 7. Ay, ba't wag 1? Ah, okay. Okay. 1, 9, 7, 0. Mali. 7, 2, 9, 7, 0. 7, 3, 9, 7, 0. 7, 4, 9, 7, 0. Ayun, bukas.
Good
Putang
memory.
na. Ah, memory.
Macroman.
Ah, God. The clocks.
Ito pala yung tape eh.
Reset.
Saan?
Nasa base
Putang
niya.
ina.
Ito table lang.
Lol. I'm hearing something
Si Hunting.
upstairs. Yeah, it sounded like someone moving. Don't close it. Might as well
Hide.
see.
Is this yellow, red? Green.
Miss, why are you back
Oh,
in
na-solve na
opened it.
ni... So,
Ah,
I'll check it. Yeah, I still hear him. Or, well,
stay here until it's open.
tapang ni CJ, oh.
I don't even know
Oh,
how
oh,
to check our sanity.
oh.
Same. I just take pills when I'm seeing things.
19. So each clock may different year. Tama?
Yeah. So far, may mga naano na ako, pero may kulang pa eh.
Ano ba yung hint?
Feeling
Ano ba
ko,
yung hint?
hindi, yung year mismo yung time. The year tells the time and whom to call. Yun yung
Then
post-it.
arrange it.
Na ano ko na yun eh. Tawag dito.
Hindi kasi, kung year, kung ilalagay mo exactly sa time, di mo naman nagagawa yung exact eh. Katulad dito, 1932. So, kailangan
Hindi.
30 lang siya.
So ano siya?
Yun nga eh. Maybe we're missing something.
Hindi, may lock doors pa din kasi sa taas eh. Baka may clocks din dun eh.
Kaya weird din naman para
Oh, let me check. We focus on clock then.
Pwede naman iyan. Try muna. Puta na, nagulat ako dun sa ano. Kulang din pa ako sa mirror kasi yung isang clue sa mirror, ano siya. Ay! Wait! Nabuksan na to! Nabuksan na pala. Oh! Oh, what's
Oo
this?
nga, no?
So it was solved.
Cannot hold any more items.
Another puzzle.
Ah, ito.
return lang.
We turn off the light. There. Okay. Now, I think we need to arrange it here.
Yes.
What's that? Oh,
It's a pier.
it's a pier.
Hospital.
Yan, pwede dito sa second icon. Why do I hear
Kunin mo
something?
na.
Why do I hear something?
Here. It's here.
May bomba clat.
Likod mo!
Saan yung dito? Hindi ko alam yung ano eh. Kung saan yun nilalagay eh. Para mag ano siya eh.
Wait, don't we
Ano?
just put the fucking things here?
Yes, but
Yeah,
we
that's
need,
what we're-
yes, but we need to see the ano.
Yeah, we need to see the contents of the pictures. Pero saan dito yung nakatutok
Nasa
dyan?
harap, nasa pinakaharap.
Teka, wait pala.
Ay, Dodian or Sandy.
Then, ay, nawala siya. Wisit yun na.
Ay, okay. Ayan, family. Saan yan? Saan pwesto yan dito? Ito?
Sa front.
Ito? Ayan, ako na pala.
Ayun.
I guess iba muna. Madami pa naman eh. Madami yung slides eh.
Bird.
Ayan, bird. May bird
There's
dito.
bird.
Put the burb. Put the burb there.
Deck. Pier.
Ano ba yan? Ba't hindi nagbabago? I think I'm doing something wrong. So we have night and music. G clef. Ah, there. Nasaan yan dyan? Teka nga, kunin ka natin yan lahat.
Nakailalim naman yung nakailalim yung kung ano yung pinapakita.
Yun, moon. For night.
Ah, ayun. Ah.
Likod mo!
Ay! Nag-iwan ng memory. Ah, kasi nakakumpleto na to. Okay.
How many more?
3 more.
Yung sa bedroom, na-solve na ba yun?
Who's
Yung,
the other
yung
locked door?
painting, di pa.
Ay.
Ah,
Do you have any kind of clue here?
Yeah, what's the clue in here?
ang inano ko dyan, itong babaeng to, sa may labas lang ng room. Ito. Pero hindi ko pa sure. I mean, hindi ko pa natatry.
So, facing
Left.
that direction?
Yeah, placing. Ito yung last na gagalaw. Ah!
Di mo pa
Despite,
nagalaw
wait,
yan.
hindi siya nagagalaw. Despite your efforts, it won't budge. Baka ito yung susundan. Facing, northeast.
One more.
It
There you
opened?
go. Open.
Please tell me it's the bathroom. Please tell me it's the bathroom.
Please.
Oh my god. It is the bathroom. Nandiyan yung isang mirror. Yun yung clue. Isa.
Look, guys.
Okay, basement. Teka.
Hey, guys, I think we're screwed.
Papasama ako sa basement, please. Who can come with me sa basement? Please.
Yeah, sure.
I hear someone running.
Lahat may dalang crucifix.
Better to be safe.
Dito yung isang mirror. Then... Ayun! Ayun na! Ma-open na yung ano sa taas. Yung cabinet sa taas sa bathroom.
The fuck was that?
Huh!
Living room. TV room. May kalabas TV room. Sinundan kayo.
Guys, may isa pa. There's two of them. There's two of them! They're coming! They're coming!
Cruise here. Table.
You're a faster one this time.
Thriller! I have the other memory. Ay, wait lang! Ay, last one.
What's the last puzzle?
I'm not sure. The time maybe? Actually, hindi ko napansin kung may orasan dun sa bathroom. And wala.
Oh
No.
god. South, are you there?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Gogi, sinundan sa labas! Sino yung lumabas? Oh,
Me. It's all good. She's gone.
akala ko
Okay.
kasi diretso yung ka-south.
Not sure if
Oh.
the time clock thing is the last puzzle.
I mean, you can still interact with it. Could be.
Was the clue? 1982.
The lights turned on one by one. Ito pala yung clue doon. Ito yung clue doon.
Saan mo nabasa yung tungkol dito sa clock?
Dito, sa may taas lang stairs. Yung post-it. Ito, may post-it dito. And whom to call eh.
You need to call.
Oh! But, what number though?
Kaya nga, we need to tell the time.
Yung year. Okay. Okay, I get it. Okay. I guess, start with 1949. Okay, ako na. Where is cursor? Ayun. 1, 9, 4, 9. How answer? 20 to 8. Is that
22 eh.
Is that 8? Ah, ito yun.
740.
Okay.
Wait, anong time ulit?
20
to
to
8.
8. How
So,
is it?
20 minutes to 8.
Okay.
So, 740.
Okay. So pa yung isang orasan. Ah, I'll just go to the clocks and then you go call them. 1959.
You go do it. Bobo ko tumingin na cursor. Ang liit.
Me, I'm blind.
Ano? 1949?
No, 1959.
19...
Hindi ko rinig
5 to 4.
5 to 4. So, 355.
350. Ay, kaako! Ito nga munang mahaba. Ang hirap ng mahaba. 355, ano? 3.
Yeah.
Okay, that's 2. 2, ata. 19, ano to? 1932.
Ten past 4.
4. So, 10, 4:10.
Okay, that's third clock. Merong clock. Ilan yun? 1, 2, 3. Yung sa basement pala. Okay, fine. I go to basement. Saan na yan? Eto, 1946.
Ten to 11. So, 10.
50?
Ah? Ano yan? Hello?
Pinahantay kami.
Nante.
Okay.
10 to 11. Tama na, 10 to 11.
10:50. Oh, shit. No. No.
Hi, friend! Thank you
Huwag
for
kang umakyat. Andyan.
Diyan. Okay.
South, hindi ako pinansin.
Dahil
Just looking for you.
kita.
Saan nga ba yung last clock?
Pas mo po.
And then...
1, 2, 3,
Lapagod ako.
4. Oh my God, Achi! Achi Malario!
Behind you.
Let's go na.
Oh,
Wait
Nahabol
lang. Ayun na.
good, good.
Okay.
Ah,
Naghahabulan sila sa kitchen. Sa dining area.
Nagtitrip to Jerusalem kami. Okay.
So that's 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4.
sa living room.
Living room? Wala
Um,
dito sa living room.
What?
Dito sa tea room, tea room.
Ha?
Tea room, tea.
Hindi. That's done. Ay! Oo nga, ito pala. 1942. I stay with Dachi.
$25 to 3. So, 235. Bobo ko dun. Wala pa ba?
Oh!
Wala. Yun.
Something
Sa
happened.
taas, sa taas, sa taas.
Oh.
Wow.
We're done.
Okay, let's go upstairs, everyone.
It's for everyone.
Dito na lahat, okay.
Yes.
Oh!
Ah!
In the first level?
So that was first level. Oh, we spent
Alright.
49 almost 50 minutes there.
That was difficulty easy.
So it was just one map.
Wait, what? One map lang?
You can't select map.
Nawala ako sa session, by the way.
Ako din.
Same.
Yeah. 16:51:96.
5196.
Wushu is here.
Isang map. Isa lang.
Maybe we could... Wala akong nakikita ibang pindutan.
God damn it.
What's the code again?
16:51:96.
So no map, right?
Not unless...
Baka base sa difficulty yung map.
We can seal it.
Baka first level... Meaning yung first difficulty. I don't know.
Oh my.
Pwede, Andy.
Ay, pala, ano pala. Double click ko ata.
Oh, come on, man.
Nalungkot naman ako dun, isang level.
Isang level nga lang.
It's a good game, but yeah.
Yeah. Come on.
What puzzles?
Why only one map? Why are people just dishing out games with Berko?
Yes, it's this.
Can we go to other houses? No.
Maybe new puzzles inside? Ay,
The
Memories of previously completed puzzles have been scattered.
Yeah, it's the same.
Okay,
Wait, so new puzzles?
maybe new puzzles. Let's see.
who took the key?
No one
I
took the...
didn't.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
I thought you guys went to the mailbox.
I was trying to go to another house. Maybe new puzzles. Let's see.
Please new puzzles at least. I will crash out.
Yeah, like,
Wait.
If I see clock, yes, I think it's same. No!
Uh,
Color, ano, has different letter though.
it's still 10 candles to light.
So, how open lights?
Iba lang siguro yung ano.
lights now ready.
They
Solve
just
it.
made it difficult lang.
Wait.
Wait! The toolbox is open!
Oh, I already found the memory.
And Asriel already found the memory.
Yung na-solve kong ano, it's open.
Maybe other puzzles, maybe there are different puzzles. Baka may naulit lang na ano, kind tong ano.
Where's the candle box? Okay, the candle box. The candle box is ano. Is already open.
Nakatayo siya kanina. Bookshelf is already open. But no memories here.
Wait, I don't understand.
It's just literally scattered sa bahay. So you just find it.
Oh.
Why though?
Oh.
Kita ko lang siya sa gilid ng
Yun
room.
nga eh. Why though?
Literally scattered.
Oh.
Let's just do this and then find out what will happen if we find all of them.
So it's like what? Find the missing items.
Arrgh! Arrgh!
So sad. Much
Eh?
potential.
Do you have other games? Have we played almost
Yung
all
the
of
the
them?
other one, the other one, the
doll,
other
The
other.
doll.
Yes, the doll.
The doll.
If this turns out to be a disappointment, then I guess we switch game.
Stupid. What happens if I get caught?
Can you try?
You lose sanity maybe.
Is he even
Oh.
Okay.
Ow! At saka sa tenga, Kat. Sobrang tining na. Paki yun.
Hey friend, are you okay?
So,
Stop sleeping on the job. Huh? Hachi has found Saotruji's soul.
Wow. So, soulmate.
What does it look like?
Oh, I flushed it in the toilet.
No!
Is the Ay. You have dirty soul.
You're very dirty.
I'm with you in spirit.
No, in the toilet. Yes.
No, I can see you.
So what does it mean kung nakuha mo yung soul?
But there's an arm. There, I flush your soul.
No, where's the others?
No, I do not have anything with me pa.
How many memories we have?
7.
So you have 3 more.
You sleeping, huh? Sleeping on a job.
I don't want to give my soul back away.
Okay, 2 more I guess.
Yeah.
Oh. How was he revived?
I click him, returned his soul. I shoved it into his ass, now he's back.
Oh, hello.
Hunting ah.
Trailer.
Aga-aga mo nag-hunt ah.
Thriller.
There's a morning here. Nawala yung cruising mo, Andy ah.
Ay. Oh no, no more cruisy. Ayoko na nga dyan.
Only 2 more.
Do you wanna build a snowman? Bumalik siya dun eh. Where are you
Where are
going?
you going?
Papunta sa inyo ah. Oh shit. What was that? Twitch siya.
She went up.
Oh,
Hey,
not
where are
me
you
then.
going? Why are you going for me? What did I do to you?
Looking.
Oh, whoa, whoa, she's much faster this time.
Ah, it's here. It's locked though.
It's locked.
Yes.
Open with mega. Ah, wait. Different bird, no?
Ah, yes. No, 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 no. Bookshelf
Like,
is already open.
The wait, bookshelf already open?
Yes. Found nothing there.
Because there is a different name now. It's C.
Nga eh.
Hindi ba yung pangalan eh? Yung
A yung start nung name. A blank I.
pero hindi mapili yung ay. Yeah, hindi nga
Napipili.
na ano, na interact yung letters.
So how do we... Wait, ano yung sarado?
Ay, sa dining room.
That solves though.
Ang susi nito, nandito na sa mga cabinet eh.
Dining room may sarado.
Oh, dito ko nakuha yung ano yung sinisimot. I found this.
So it's O. A blank I blank O.
Can't think of a name with that.
Yeah.
Ito.
So last memory. We don't know where the last one is.
It's just somewhere.
How about the light? Yung spotlight sa basement. Ano ba yun
Nothing there.
It was empty.
Oh my god, basement so dark.
Oh, she's hunting. I'll go out. Easier to dodge. Hi. Stella. Someone check the ano sa likod.
The backyard?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I got another memory then doon.
May nakuha rin ako doon sa may puno.
Naantok. Inantok yung mga player.
A good game, but why is this now ano find the item bullshit? I see something.
Ah, wait. Did someone check the attic?
Not thoroughly.
Same. I just breezed through it.
Maybe attic. Yung sa candles,
It's okay. It's solved na. Like
solve
there's
na
10 lit
rin.
candles now. So we're just finding the last item.
Yun sa mga cabinet. I-check. May naman.
I'm checking now. Usually it's just items.
Hachi, where are you?
Upstairs. Ay.
Wait, let me see if
Well,
this
you're
still...
a bit fast.
Yeah, not working anymore.
Sa attic na?
Ah, C. O. A blank I C O. Aniko? Atiko?
Sinong binilay niya sa labas? Come on, where's the last one?
Nasa attic ako ngayon.
Sa garahe.
Nope.
Oh, I'm gonna die. He's gaining on me.
No more Crucy?
No more.
You're gonna punch her?
Honestly, the find the item
God.
is very stupid right now. Oh, shibla ba habari ba? Ah, yeah, good.
Here, Crucy.
Dating sa attic, no?
Yeah, nothing.
Come on, game.
Under the table.
Seriously.
Cabinets. Blackout ah.
Where the hell is it? Okay, I'm pretty sure I've cleared out the basement now. I don't see anything here. Double check.
Just click it there.
Garage is also clear. Ah,
This is ass.
Went from 10-10 game to 0 real quick with the find
Yes,
the item
yes.
bullshit.
It is na awawa. Hey.
Wahoo.
5.
The
Uh,
fuck is this?
Tips is still giving numbers. Is the safe box open?
Yes.
Yes, it's
Yes.
open, but it's empty.
Huh.
Wahoo.
What about the TikTok click lock? Ah, it's open.
Nag-loading ako dun ah.
I swear to God, pag ito nasa front yard,
Hindi, nandito sa kitchen.
oh, tapos na pala yung sale.
Yun nga eh.
Fucker!
It was
Broke the
fast.
fuse again.
Prepare for taxes on the games.
No.
Stupid. Running out of fucking things to get money from. Maybe cut off the 4 piece.
Yes, please. Give me my tax back.
If my tax box spent on 4 piece,
Fucker
I
used 3 of my crucifixes, my god.
getting them free cell phone. What the hell, man?
Guys, where are you guys?
I saw that. Do you see it's acrylic nails? So very decorated. Or in the attic.
Andito siya sa baba. Ginamit ako ng
Yeah,
cruci.
it followed me. Naubos yung 3 crucifix ko.
I am getting dizzy from this game.
Wahoo.
Wow.
Yung sa mirror puzzle. Ano?
Ano, yung cabinet sa bathroom. Pero, ano na.
nabuksan na?
My God, whoever checked this bedroom is blind as hell.
Ayun.
Bedroom?
Yes, sa second floor. Kung saan yung painting. There you go.
Oh my God! Ganun
Yun
lang?
Yun lang yun. So, yung difficulty is mas frequent lang siya mag-hunt, mas, lagi ding sinisira yung fuse box.
Negative review!
A good game, but what the fuck?
Wahoo eh.
Wahoo! Wahoo!
Alright, closing this shit.
Ano kaya yung hard?
Start. Pretty sure crazy hunting.
Wahoo.
Tapos mas,
More
mas
wahoo.
madami sila, no?
Wahoo.
Uninstall.
Good game, but full game na ba to?
Tagal na to last.
Hindi, early access pa.
Ay,
October.
I'm starting to hate early access games now.
Early access pa, kaya first level pa lang.
Ito nga
No,
pala yung
fine.
sinabi kong ang horror nga explore and solve puzzles. Okay.
May kulang pa yun.
They have to think more of a puzzles pa daw.
They need to make more levels, no? Kasi do.
We play the dolls.
Yun. Alam ganun din yung sagot ko eh. Yung wahoy may kasamang hiccup eh. Wahoy.
I take
Wow.
a break.
Take break.